Cardboard, no doubt, plays an important role in all our lives. For instance, packaging, decorative, and other things. In this episode of Herb's Quick Fix, I'm going to present you with a hypothetical situation called Unexpected Birthday Party. Now, we all love a well-wrapped gift, but sometimes it's not easy to do that without planning. If you find yourself in that situation, here is a easy to remember, easy to learn trick that I can teach you. All you're going to need for this is scissors, tape, a paintbrush, glue, and aluminum foil. And, of course, a box. Of course, it's easy to find a last-minute gift if you just look around your house. You probably have many things that you no longer want. We're going to use this little Scottish dude here as our gift. Close up the box with the present inside. And then we're going to lay out some aluminum foil, enough to cover the box. Lay it out in two rows, and then what we're going to do is join them with tape right on the crease where they overlap. One piece, two pieces, three pieces should do the trick. Give yourself a big thumbs up. You did a great job. Now we're going to place the box on the foil so we can wrap it. Fold the sides up on both sides and then fold the corners present style. Once you got it all wrapped up here, go ahead and throw a piece of tape on each corner. Perfect. Looks great. Nice and smooth on the top. Would go great as a gift at a sci-fi birthday party or just a birthday party where they appreciate good wrapping. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this trick works for you. Please like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at refurb with Herb, and you can contact me on Gmail, refurbwithherb@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon.